What's up, y'all? It's your girl Aisha back with another video. So I'm going to attempt to make chicken spaghetti. I've seen a different couple of recipes on Pinterest, but this one has Rotel dip in it, but I'm gonna just try to make it my way. So I got some chicken breasts. They're still kind of frozen, like they're halfway thawed out, but I'm just baking, so they're still kind of frozen. So I'm gonna season it with I got some black pepper on there, and then I have some garlic powder that I want to put on here. I don't want to put too much on here. Get one on that bad boy over there. And then I'm going to use some of my complete seasoning. I'm putting a lot because the other side is not seasoned, so that's why I'm gonna just rub it in and stuff. And then I'll put a little bit. Y'all know I like my kicking chicken. Put a little bit of this kicking chicken on there. Just a little bit of it. That looked like a lot, but it's really not, because remember, the other side is not seasoned. I'm gonna put a little bit, just a little bit of seasoning salt. And some onion powder to go with it. Some grated onion. That on there. Oops, that's the camera. Okay, and then I think that's it. So I'm gonna put this in the oven until it's done. Then I'm gonna shred it up, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all what else I'm going to put with it. So I'll talk to y'all in a minute. I'm pouring my Rotel in, and then cream of mushroom, cream of chicken soup, 1 block of this, and then I didn't have Velveeta cheese, so I'm going to use this, see how this works. So this is what it looks like in the pot. It says undiluted, but I know for a fact that it's gonna be salty, so that's why I put the water in it. So I'm gonna let it cook down some, and then I'm gonna add everything else to it. So this is what it looks like once it's done. I probably made it a little bit too soupy, but I still have to add more cheese in it. But I'm gonna go ahead and add the chicken in here. Add the chicken in there. And I'm gonna stir it up. This is what it looks like. Okay guys, so I decided that I wanted to bake it after I cooked it. So right here, this is like the first layer of spaghetti that I'm putting cheese on. And I have my son Michael recording because I didn't have my tripod near me so I could just prop it up, so he's recording for me. He does a really good job at recording too. He's very good. All the boys do, but he does a really good job with it. So I'm pouring all of that spaghetti, chicken spaghetti, Rotel spaghetti, whatever you want to call it, pouring that second layer on there, and then I'm going to spread it out. Now I am going to put the last layer of cheese on top. Michael suggested that I didn't put a lot of cheese. He's at a point where he doesn't like a lot of cheesy food. So I try not to put a lot of cheese. I like a lot of cheese, but I try not to put a lot of it on there. So yeah, I sprinkled all the cheese on there, and the cheese I used was Fiesta blend, and then I think I mixed shredded cheese in the bag that I had. It's already mixed in there, but I did put that on there as well. Next, I am going to put it in the oven. All right, y'all, so this is what it looks like. I'm about to I like corner pieces. I'm doing it like it's a dang old lasagna. But this is what it looks like. So that's it. But I'm gonna put some on a plate.